dude. I crushed my fender earlier.
Do that again. Kick it. Why'd you actually kick it?
What's it gonna do?
All right, so today we got some friends over, and I'll let Dylan introduce this video. What are we doing to your car today? No.
Catless Downpipe.
Catless Downpipe on Veronica.
But I've had this thing for how long now? Before I had the coilovers?
Before the coilovers, before the wheels. It's just been sitting in your garage.
Yeah.
We've been trying to find a lift for it. Somebody to let us use a lift in a local shop so we don't have to pay somebody else to do it. But it's just been sitting. No one else has let us use a lift. So we said, fuck it today. Dylan brought his gigantic jack stands over. We're jacked up in the front. We already got it up. And hopefully get this thing on.
Hopefully. If not, I might just be headers.
Dumped at the turbo, yeah.
That'd be badass.
Okay, so we need to get down in there. There's the downpipe right there.
Yo, shit. Do you have like that thing that'll fucking roll under there?
A creeper?
Are you going under?
Yeah, I don't care.
What you see, bud?
I see a pipe.
See right there, we got 2 bolts we need to take out.
Yeah, I know.
Exhaust from it.
Touch it. It's probably fucking.
No!
Touch it. Just barely, just like, yeah. How hot's it?
It's pretty warm.
Still pretty warm?
Yeah, it's pretty warm.
Dude, I told you on the way here I was giving it fucking hell.
Why?
Dylan!
Because I was
You knew
going
we were
back
working
roads
on
in
Dylan,
the
we're
sun.
working on your car and you're gonna beat it?
Jeremy, what'd you do on the way here?
We're not working on my car, are we?
Fucking suck the tape in it.
Dude, fucking put a filter on.
Yeah, but just not, it kind of sounds lame.
The Sam's was way too much.
Loose neck.
Getting WD'd all over.
It is. It's dripping all over you.
Ooh. That's shot right in the face. That's hot.
Did it burn?
No. It was just hot for about 15 seconds. It was really hot.
Oh yeah, it's on. Is that reverse?
Yeah, it's in reverse.
Please turn it before you put it on the nut.
I can't fucking pull the trigger. Oh, it's coming off. Holy shit.
It's off.
Completely?
Yep. Front's off.
That one's turning.
It is.
See, it's loose. That one's like almost off. God, it's hot.
Yeah, it is.
It's about to touch your hand, dude.
That'll learn, baby. I can kind of see one O2 sensor hooked up right here. Ah,
Those wires, they go up in there, and I just don't know where they go. Like
I'm doing this and it's like straining my neck.
Let's put the back end up.
I'm still gonna be doing this to look up at it.
But look how much higher it would be.
That works. Maybe that's what that's for.
You know, you're sitting on it backwards.
Oh, touch your fingers. I don't want to smash them. Trust me, it doesn't feel good.
Motherfuck, dude.
I mean, in the end, it's just a...
It's just a clip point. I mean, we could always throw a zip tie through here and go through the
It'll be
hole
broken
again.
either way. That's why I told you to come up here.
It's your car.
Oh, fuck, that's hot.
It's probably the plastic just tearing.
Oh,
you go.
oh, I didn't even break it.
Oh, good job.
You broke the bottom piece, but
Oh, that's it'll
don't-
still clip in.
don't touch it. It'll be alright.
It'll clip in.
Now,
See, that's the thing. No one's done a fucking video on how to do it, so it's just like.
And this still really isn't a video on how to do it. This is just us fucking around. Yeah, don't follow this video. This is not a how-to. This is a.
We're doing it.
We're doing it, but we don't know what the fuck we're doing. I've never taken any kind of downpipe off before.
This isn't a tutorial. This is an attempt.
I don't know. Why would they do two different ones? That's
Because
retarded.
they're stupid.
It's also 2 fucking O2 sensors in a downpipe.
That'd be too easy.
It's Hyundai.
Just one. Yeah. Why do you need a secondary O2?
Why do I have 2 cats in one fucking downpipe? And no cats anywhere else?
I can tell you why.
Hyundai.
Dogs are dominant.
Guess what? Wanna try it?
Yeah, that'll work. Maybe. I think you got to flip it.
I think it's this has got to come down, or
Here, let me put this in there and see what happens.
I'm not gonna break it, but like,
I mean, a new O2 sensor's only like $50.
motherfucker. only like $50.
Only
You want me to go
50
buy a
bucks.
new one today?
Yeah.
Where the fuck am I gonna go buy a new O2 sensor?
Rock Auto.
Motherfuck, dude. I think it's on the bottom.
What do you mean it's on the bottom?
The clip.
Break it.
I don't feel a clip.
Huh? Your nubs are on it.
Your nubs.
There is no clip here, I promise you.
Well, just keep pulling it then, because it looks like there should be a clip there.
Was it wobbling like this for you guys? Mm-hmm. Jesus Christ.
Give her a good tug.
I don't feel like this is good.
Here, you fucking light.
I see that sensor where it's hooked up.
Are you feeding the ones through the top?
No, I probably should.
You can see it, but you just don't know how it's clipped.
No, I feel it. I just don't know how it's clipped. I don't know if it's like wrapped around something or it's clipped in. Or...
Pull it down.
You got one? No. Sound like it broke.
It cut, but
Let me see if I can.
Try these.
Fuck. That's a wire. So go up, back. I'm trying to like push it, and I can't get my arm far enough up.
Wrong hole.
Wait, don't push it. Fuck!
Up, down, left, right.
Oh, there it is.
Left, up, yep. Nope, missed it.
It needs to open just a little more. You'll be able to get it off, and then you can get me off after.
That's a negative, Ghost Rider.
Yeah.
You got both the wires?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
That's all out.
Just let it go of it.
It's all out.
My dick's out.
these don't actually look too bad.
Oh my god.
Dude, was this tore before?
Yeah.
Look at that nip.
Look at that. Where I burnt myself.
Are you really gonna start it just to see
Just to hear what it sounds like. It'll be all turbo.
I'm scared.
Just breathing.
It'll just be like a quick.
It's your engine.
Yeah, I mean, if it's quick start, it's not gonna do shit.
Just start for like 2 or 3 seconds.
It's gonna be loud. That's gonna be fucking loud.
As loud as I thought it was.
You hear that fucking turbo?
Yeah, this little mini turbo.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
I've done it a couple times or two.
Yeah, don't set anything on fire.
Too bad.
Light it off. I know we got other breaker bars here.
Oh, there it goes. Thought so.
You're going the wrong way.
Oh.
Do it with your mouth.
Who's grabbing it out of the fucking pipe?
Let's let it cool down.
Nope, not enough.
That's a great idea.
Alright, let's sit down.
What are you looking at?
Fucking threads. Moving. Yeah. Easy. Fuck. God. That's wrench. Fucking easy. Give me that thing. God, fucking genius. Grab it. It's like red hot. It's like, God damn it. Which one was which? Oh, this one will be the back. This is the longest. Not hot my ass. The snug.
They have like an end like this, so it goes in the spring like that.
Okay, I see.
So then you can start threading it by hand, so it's not like. I guess that makes it kind of easy. Just one side. This is loud.
Is it going towards
Here,
you?
do
It's
it.
going towards me. It's on.
It's slow.
Press the brake. Click the brake.
Press the brake and
Push the left. Make sure it's in park.
it should be. It's on.
Cheer the turbo.
See if you feel anything. Don't feel any exhaust leak?
Done.
None?
Done.
Alright, good shit.
Done.
No check engine?
Not yet.
Yeah, run it down the road.
Still running down the road.
Yeah, next time you get gas, we'll see if you get a check engine light.
God, that's so fucking loud, dude. Dude, what is that? They were all like, what is that?
What is that?
It's like an alien.
Do you notice the difference?
Oh yeah, big time. It's loud as hell.
It is.
Right here, that's not that bad. It sounds normal.
Yeah, that sounds
then, like-
normal. Oh god.
It is. It's a lot louder. Oh my god, can you imagine the fucking tunnel? God, it pops so much. The lower end rev doesn't really sound different, but the higher end and the drive sounds a lot different.
Trying to get it pop.
Yeah. think I'm rubbing. It's rubbing bad.
I think that fender came in.
Oh.
God, yeah, look at it.
It's burning.
right there. You got it. Easy, Tiger.
I'm a backup
God, you're fucking close.
It tells me how close I am. It beeps.
All right, what are we doing?
I guess I'm going to
What are we doing? What are we gonna?
going to Trevor's and
Man,
fucking-
we're gonna show him how much of a bitch he is.
Yeah.
Come on, you gotta tell Trevor. He's gonna see this.
Oh, well, Trevor, your shit is bitch, boys.
Hey, it's Trevor. I'm not at the phone right now, so just leave.
We got it done.
Yeah.
Sounds good. I love it.
Oh.
Did you hit your head?
Yes. It fucking hurt.
Thanks for coming to help.
You're welcome.
Thanks, McGuire. You're not here.
Yeah, I had to go
I'm gonna have a goddamn. I'm gonna have
Trevor, what the fuck?
I'm gonna have a knot, man. That fucking hurt.
Stop your whining and go.
God.
You guys going together? God. All right, see ya.